Congratulations on starting your aligner journey to a beautiful, better smile. But there are certain instructions you compulsory have to follow so that you do not face any difficulties during the process. So this video is a must watch. I'm Dr. Satish Kumar. This is SK Smile Dental. Our aim here is to help you smile. The first point you need to keep in mind is the duration of wear. You have to wear your aligners for a minimum duration of 18 to 22 hours per day. It is only then the adequate amount of force is applied to the teeth and the teeth start moving to the next given position. So do not forget to wear them throughout the day. Only remove them when you're eating, drinking something which could stain the aligners, or while brushing your teeth. That moves us to the second point, placing them properly. While placing them and removing them, remember the technique the dentist showed you. While placing them, if you can see a small space between your tooth and the aligner, then use the chewy which has been given to you to see that it seats well. The seating well of the aligner is a must, because if it does not, the forces applied to your teeth would be incorrect and we will not get the results which we are looking for. After you place them correctly, if you feel some amount of irritation on the gums, if it is poking somewhere or sharp somewhere, come down to our clinic. We will smoothen that edges out and give it to you. Point number 3, remove them while eating food. Yes, that includes snacks as well. This is because of two reasons. One is when you're chewing a lot of food, there are debris and particles which are formed that can get collected along the aligners, leading to bacterial formation, which can cause decay to your teeth below. The second thing you need to keep in mind why you have to do this is these aligners are not meant to take the load or the chewing forces. So if you wear them, there are high chances they might get fractured or deformed or scratched. If they get fractured or deformed, you will have to get another set of aligners, which would cost you some amount of money. And if they get a scratch or something, there are extreme chances of it getting stained. Then the advantage of aligners being invisible is lost and they can be a yellowish tinge on your aligners. Even remove them if you're having a hot or cold liquid, including water. The reason being the heat can cause some amount of deformation of the aligner. So remember, whenever you're consuming anything, remove the aligners and then have it. The next point to remember is brush and floss your teeth before you wear the aligners. Like we have already spoken, because of the food you eat, there are debris which can get collected. If you directly wear your aligners, those debris get collected to the inner surfaces of the aligners. So brush and floss your teeth and then re-wear your aligners. The next point to remember is cleaning of the aligners. Now similarly, how you clean your teeth, you have to clean your aligners. But there are certain modifications you should consider. The first point to remember is do not use hot or cold water. You can use room temperature water, because if you use a hot or cold water, they can cause deformation of your aligner trays. The next is if you're using a brush, it has to be a soft brush only. You're not supposed to apply a lot of force because that could lead to scratches to your aligners, which can lead to staining or damage. Do not use toothpaste because toothpaste have abrasives in them. Yes, you can use a hand wash soap which you're using, but see that it is non-scented, because if it has a scent in them, they might have certain staining ingredients. If you're gaining value from this video, please do not forget to hit the like button below, because we come up with such valuable content so that your journeys are smoother and better. Never throw your aligners. The advantage of aligners is they are removable in nature, so you can remove them and place them as and when you require. But the chances of them being lost also increases. So whenever you remove them from your mouth, place them into the box provided to you. Do not even throw the previous aligners which you have already used and moved on to the next set. You might need them sometime in the future. Cracks and broken aligners. If there is a crack in your aligner, and this has happened sometime towards the end of the duration, for example, you have been asked to wear the aligner for say 2 weeks, and this happens say around in the 11th or 12th day, then you can try placing the next set of aligners. If it seats well, absolutely good. But if it does not, wear the previous set of aligners at least. Contact our office so that we can see whether it has to be replaced. Remember, replacing an aligner would cost you some amount of money. Therefore, taking good care of your aligners, see that you're not misplacing them or damaging them, is extremely important. Other than this, if you have any queries or doubt, feel free to contact our office or come down. We'll do everything in our hand to see that your journey is smooth and simple. I'm Dr. Satish Kumar. This is SK Smile Dental. Our aim here is to help you smile. And if you have not checked out a video on how to brush your teeth, go and check that video out, because we explain step by step how brushing your teeth should be done and how it can help you preserve them for a longer duration of time.